Hey guys, today we're going to be solving systems using substitution. Here we have a system y minus x equals 1 and y equals 2x minus 1. We want to write one of our equations in slope-intercept form if it's not already. One of our equations is already in slope-intercept form, y equals 2x minus 1. Because y equals 2x minus 1, we can take what is equal to y, which is the 2x minus 1, and we're going to substitute it in for the y in the other equation. So as you can see, we had our y minus x equals 1, but instead of y, we wrote what y equals, which is 2x minus 1. Once we substitute this in, we can now simplify and solve for x. So first we're going to simplify my 2x and my negative x. These can become just x. We bring down our negative 1 equals 1. We then will additive inverse that negative 1 to the other side, which will become plus 1 to both sides, and we're going to equal x equals 2. Once we have my solution for x, we can now substitute the value for x into the original equation. So we're going to go ahead and take the y minus x equals 1, and we substitute the 2 in place of the x. Here I have now y minus 2 equals 1. We're going to go ahead and additive inverse that 2 to both sides, and we end up with y equals 3. Once I have both parts of my coordinate pair, I have my solution of 2, 3 as a coordinate pair. Let's go ahead and take a look when a system has an infinite number of solutions. Here we have y equals 3x plus 1, which means we have one of our equations in slope-intercept form. And because y equals 3x plus 1, we're going to substitute in the 3x plus 1 for the other equation's y. So we're going to take that negative 6x plus 2, and in place of y, we're going to put that 3x plus 1, and then the remainder of the equation, which is equal to 2. Here we're going to have to distribute the 2 to the 3x and the 1, which will make 6x and positive 2. Here I have negative 6 and positive 6, which will combine to become 0. And I'm left with 2 equals 2. As you can see on the left, because the variable zeroes out and we are left with a constant that is equal to a constant, if the statement is true, the system has an infinite number of solutions. Because 2 equals 2 is a true statement, we know that this has an infinite number of solutions. Let's take a look at when there's no solution. Here we have y equals 3x minus 4 and y equals 3x plus 3. These are both in slope-intercept form, and since they both equal to y, when we substitute in 3x minus 4 for the other's y, we will get an equation that looks like this. We will continue simplifying by doing the additive inverse of 3x, which means subtracting both sides by 3x, and we'll be left with negative 4 equals positive 3. Because the variable is zeroed out and we are left with a constant that is not equal to another constant, meaning this is a false statement, this has no solution. Again, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Please feel free to subscribe, and you guys have a great day.